guys, this is me again, JJ2, and we're going to review this Nerf gun that we buy in the mall. It's only 750 pesos in the mall. Now we're going to describe this. We need a scissors to open it. Where's the scissors, sisters? This is the Nerf what we buy in the mall, and it's awesome. We have a 6 darts in here, and we just pull this, and you just click this. He will shoot far away. I like it because it's small, and you can get it in the Nerf bar. In the Nerf bar, you're awesome because do you see this orange one? You can attach a telescope in there.
A telescope? Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, I know. Because in the YouTube, we see you can attach a telescope in the
Someday
big one.
we will buy a telescope to attach it there.
Yes, and we need a more darts. Now we're going to review it, how to play it. First, we're going to review this. What is for this? This is for attaching, like a telescope or a other things. And this is for, we just pull it so the gun will be shooting the Nerf dart. And you click this, right? And this one you put in the dart. And again we just pull it, and we have a 6 dart. We need a many dart. We're going to buy a dart. Do you know this is the darts? Do you see this the darts? It's 6. As this is the box of the darts. We don't know they have a darts. It's a secret in here. You see this? And now we're going to open the darts. Okay. We need scissors again. Scissors is there. Now we have the darts open, and now we're going to put the darts in the Nerf gun. Up to 6, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we put the Nerf dart and we just pull it again, and let's see how it fars away. Let's see. In tomorrow. I'm sorry guys because it's night in here today. We just buy it. It's too late because we're going to the mall. It's too far away. So subscribe and like, guys. We're going to see you again. Bye. Hello guys, this is me again, JJTube, and now we're showing this Nerf gun, how far shoot again. Now we are outside with my sister. Here with you and me. Now let's pull this and send to you, right? Now let's see. Whoa, do you see that? These are 6 darts, and this a disruptor. Do you know that? Now we're going to see the end strike. It's a light. Do you know that? And that's my brother in there. It's cute, right? Now we're going to see this. What is for this again? Is for a touching telescope. And please like and subscribe, guys. Bye.